Good morning. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. We're gonna have a live stream later today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's my birthday. What's going on, Otter Gang? Let's jump into the price morning update video as per usual. Hope you're all having a wonderful day and had a great weekend. Going into this, we're looking at the weekly close. Very doji, very undecided here. We're getting a red dot here on the weekly, so let's be cautiously optimistic. I think is where I stand right now. No trades that I'm currently in. Looking for a possible retracement. We can see some exhaustion down here at the bottom. We're getting a hammer candle as of the 3-day, so a little corrective measure, nothing to worry about in my opinion. Not until we really, take out this low here around, 60,000, let's say. So I'm remaining bullish to the upside. However, we do have this cooling off that is occurring right now. We can see money flow is still very green. Okay, so something for me, it's like, okay, yeah, worry all you want, but the money is definitely still in the market, and we definitely know that the halving is actually not too far away, my friends. Not too far away. So a lot of things going on right now. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog I made updating you guys on the basement renovation. I will be working on that today, even on my birthday, because guess what? We don't take breaks here. We continue to push. So looking at Bitcoin here on the daily, what can we expect? Well, we do have some good posturing to the upside. Now, this is good to see here on the VWAP. Now we're anticipating a VWAP crossover like we were all last week, and however it just hovered around here. So we'll wait to see where this gets to by tomorrow, the next day. But this is something I'm definitely keeping an eye on, and we're also waiting for a printing of the green dot. Okay, so that's something we're anticipating on the daily here. We have not got it yet, so let's see what today gives us. Now, going on with today seems pretty quiet in the market. Typical Monday. Mondays have been very pumpy, so we need to be very cautious here, setting ourselves up for success. Pardon me. But Wednesday, we got the beautiful Fed interest rate decision, FOMC. Going to be a very, very interesting week leading up to that. Okay, we have building permits tomorrow. However, pardon me, the big one being the FOMC and the interest rate decision. So be prepared. A little bit of a drawdown. This is everybody gets freaked out when there's a bit of a drawdown here, and for me this is a healthy correction measure. Like I said, until we kind of take out this low right around here, right? So just being cautious right now. The thing that really tells me that we're not really crashing is that you can see very simply that Solana is at $207, right? So Solana is just continuing to ride this puppy upwards, along with AVAX as well, pushing the narrative upwards. So this is like, okay, we can see Bitcoin has pumped immensely. Now let's give some alts another chance. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing so far. Just in the market, horrible frog in my throat. Just in the market now, looking at the 12-hour, this looks very bullish in my opinion, where you can see that we have cooled down. We've triggered down to the bottom green dot printing VWAP crossover looking to commence. So this is looking very bullish in my opinion. Whenever we've seen this in the past, you see this right here. It's been a nice ride up. Okay, it's been a nice ride up. This could be a possible last opportunity. As you guys know, I've DCA'd a lot of my last bit of dry powder, and if we do drop down, I'm not too worried. It's a long-term hold, right? So I am looking for this continuation, and I don't want to miss the little dips right before we get that parabolic rise that I am expecting eventually. Okay, so plan for the future, set yourself up for success as we always do here. Join us in the free Discord. Links in the description below. Everybody wishing me happy birthday. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. 34 today, man. 34. It's nothing special. Fear and greed at 77, extreme greed. Okay, so I'm not greedy today. You guys don't have to give me birthday presents. All you need to do is be present, and that's a present enough for me. So you can see here, going at the 8-hour, you can see the curving up of the momentum wave and a steady decline in money flow. So money flow looks like it's coming out on these shorter term time frames between the 8 and the 1 hour. You can notice that. However, dipping down below anchor, we could be looking for a trigger wave in the near future. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see what it says. Okay, so we got that double bottom here, which is quite nice. However, I would definitely like to see another bottom here coming in like this, and a continuation upwards where we get a nice anchor to trigger wave kind of action here, and continuation to the upside with money flow coming back into the market. That would be a beautiful, beautiful setup. But you can see if we zoom out here on the 4 hour, that I was saying this the other day, that like this looks very similar to this. I think it was on the 6 hour as well. You could see it. This looks very similar to this, right? So you can see big move, right? Big move all the way up. So could we get something similar? Quite possible. Okay. I'm just trying to match, and this is pretty matchy. Okay. Going over the 3 hour. 3 hour, we've broken down from this trend line. Now we really want to see where we're targeting for price. Okay, so I have some areas and some levels here for you guys. First, we're going to pull this volume, okay? And you can see that we're putting in a very thick shelf here. So this is going to be interesting, because if we do get above here, we could hold here very easily, right? Because we're putting in a great shelf of volume that's going to hold price up if we want to continue working up. However, if we do lose this, it's quite a swift move back down to that 61,000-ish area. Okay, so very much caught in the middle, right? Stuck in the middle with you. So what are we looking for here? So we can see the continuation. I said I'm looking for a dip down and continuation. I don't believe they want to allow people to stay long from here. So they're going to want to grab some liquidity before heading up. And we can see other tokens moving up as well. Okay, so we do have our key levels here that we have marked out. So you guys can copy these levels as well. I will share this in the Discord as per usual, just so you can add these to your charts so that you're prepared to trade alongside with us. So we really want to see a continuation in getting above this key level here. And that key level is right at 68.6. Let's call it 68.6. Holding and closing above this level is going to be indicative of a continuation upwards. And then our next task is to take out these highs, right? So we want to see that break of structure, retrace back down, probably back down to this 68.6, and continuation to the upside. Okay, that's what we want to see here. Other scenarios, we get rejected here. We get kind of a swing failure pattern, bearish divergence, right? And then a continuation downwards, and then trying to take out these lows here. So that's the two situations that I'm looking for. Right now, consolidation chop sideways, no trade zone, right? No trade zone. So let's look at it here, pulling a fib from swing low to swing high. We're probably going to come up to, okay, we got a nice little level here. For me, we're bouncing off the 0.5. So like if we do fall down, it would be this area here that we are looking to target for possible longs, right? That would be my area here, just on the support level. And then, whoop. And then for shorts, we could pull the entire range. So we could go from top to bottom here. However, that to me, yeah, we can see this isn't going to be significant. I would go from here. It's looking to match up quite nice, where we're looking for possible shorts from here, and continuation to the downside. Okay, so very big levels to be cautious of. We've isolated price, so we want to look for those signals here. We can see that we are slowly coming down here, so this suggests to me that we could see a dip down below, right? And then that continuation upwards with the anchor and trigger wave to the upside. Something I'd be anticipating. Right now, I'm not trying to get into a trade. I want to see some movement of the weekend coming alive and back into the week, where we're looking for that move. Going over to the 30. What is the 30 suggesting? So flagging out here. Very, very simple consolidation. Let's see if we get the breakout. We've broken this trend line here. I'm not seeing very key trend lines. So you can see the break, the retest, the continuation up. Okay, now we can kind of track the bottom here if we wanted to, where we can see there's something like this going on. However, not a clearly defined trend line that I am looking to watch right now, so I wouldn't be drawing those as of yet. I'm waiting for that clear bottom or that clear top to be formed, where we can look for that continuation as well. Going over the Dixie is going to be, I'm looking for a rejection here. So we're looking for downside on the Dixie. That means upside for Bitcoin. Okay, so if we look for a rejection off of this downwards trend line, right, that would suggest that Bitcoin is looking to move upwards as the dollar gets rejected. Okay, something else to keep in mind. ES marching up here you can see it actually is holding a very nice trend line on the way up here. So let's see if it can continue to hold that as well. Going into the heat map, let's see what else do we got here. Okay, we got Solana, BNB, Avalanche moving up quite nicely right now. Very nice moves for all these. Chainlink's having a little bit of a move as well. And, those meme coins. We did see a big move off of those AI tokens the other day. So we saw Render, Fetch. Look at all these. They all had a nice move up, right? So very nice move, holding support. Let's see if that can continue. And then over to Avalanche. Avalanche breaking out here. Very nice. Look for the retest of the highs. Continuation to the upside. Arbitrum has been smacked down. I think this is a great buy zone. We were buying up here, so I mean, why wouldn't you? Coming back into this key level of support. Looking at Link. Link is consolidating. Look to pushing up. We had that buy zone for Link working out quite nicely. If you did grab there on Link. Going over to Solana. Solana continues to march up. Our next key level of resistance is going to be 218. Okay. And it seems to have been holding this level of support at 202, psychological 200, right? So let's see if it holds that and continues its march upwards. Now with the meme coins have been going crazy. But we can simply see that, there's mass adoption here on the meme coins, people coming in wanting to make that quick buck, right? So the COQ coins, Snack, all that stuff is doing reasonably well. And we had that Elon talking about Doge, right? So Doge probably looking for a move to breakout, retest, continuation upwards. Overall, that's my thoughts for the morning. Hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you later on the birthday stream. Thank you guys so much. Peace out and much love to you.